What's going on, YouTube and DHU gang? Alright, so I have not abandoned y'all. What has happened is I needed help in this editing situation I got going on. A lot of videos, just kind of difficult to put them all up on the phone and to store them all and to choose when and how I put them up and what platform. But after all the issues I've been having with my Dell Experion 7500, this is funny because I promise you this has not been cutting on and it's been crashing. How long will it even stay on now? I don't even know.
One eternity later.
I quit. So anyway, did it cut off? All right, whatever. I'm kind of over that. Hey, look at the logo. Gotcha. See that? OVT, gotcha though. All right, but after having issues with that, it's actually saying welcome now. It's too late. It is too late. I'm about to close it, and it looks so beautiful while it's on right now. That's a trip. I was gonna do some upgrades to that. Still am. Just didn't feel like focusing on that, and then said I can just make more content, adding something and a whole new layer to this, right? So I decided to build my own PC.
What? Bro, what are you talking?
Yep, that's what I'm doing. So that's exactly what I'm working on right now. And I'm almost done with getting all the parts and supplies. A couple things I'm still waiting on to either... all right, what I'm waiting on is the CPU. Which CPU am I going with? Maybe you guys will help me decide. And the graphics card. Yeah. We'll go from here. So check this out. What I'm working with right now, and listen, I might screw all this up. I don't know. I don't really care. I'm actually having fun, enjoying doing it. I'm so excited. I promise you, you see what I'm saying? I am so excited about this. So check this out. This is what I'm working with now. This is what I started with. All right, and again, this is I am new at this. I don't know what I'm doing. If I screw this all up, whatever. All right, check this out though. So I am starting off with my Asus motherboard B650 plus Wi-Fi. I got it popping. Just think, pow. That's what it is right here. I'm going with it. This is what I'm going with. It's here. It's in. I've got it. So yeah, from Tough Gaming. I hope this holds me down. So what does that say? Yeah, AMD Ryzen socket. So it is ready for it, and I am ready for it. This back to box. That's what we playing with, and yeah, this is what's gonna get it going, right? And for my power supply, 850. Yep, doing a lot of reviews and so forth, so I'm trying to figure out like how much power do I need to run my graphics card. And I assume I really can't lose at 850. Most of them running at 650 or something like that. So this is more than enough power. So yeah, I'm going with that. With the RGB lighting. Oh yeah, we finna light this thing up. I really wasn't concerned about that at first. Now I'm like, you know what? I do want it to look cute on my first build. Want to, you know, add a little pizzazz to it. So this is what I'm going with. So yes, I am going with 850 watt power supply for sure. ATX 3.1 PCL. Listen, I don't know all this. Listen, I ain't finna act like the nerd that know all this stuff. I'm nerdy, but you know, I'm still learning. So yeah, from Autotech. So yeah, this is where I'm at. Maybe I should tell y'all some of these prices. That'd be good too. Or maybe I'll tell you when I'm actually putting it together. Because there has been a fluctuation in prices for sure. As far as the motherboard and Only thing that really went crazy that I'm still waiting to come in is the RAM. Yo, RAM is looking stupid. I've been watching videos about people talking about RAM, and yo, there's no lie. RAM is getting dumb. I saw the RAM that I wanted, 600 megahertz at CL, the lag latency 3.0, 30, I'm sorry, and yeah, that was looking almost at $300.
Damn!
Nuts. That was nuts. And I was doing some reviews, and I guess like months ago it was only like 54, less than 100, at 100 if anything. So yo, it's getting crazy out here when it comes to RAM. For whatever reason, people got their speculations on AI taking over and big corporations need the RAM. Bro, listen, look at me. I don't know nothing about this. I'm just trying to put the PC together because I just need some space and storage because my, look at this, talking about, look, it got spyware and everything.
Hey, hands around, seeing him.
This my baby, don't get me wrong, but it's time to step it up a notch. And I will get that fixed after a while. And I promise you, it has not been cutting on like that. That it's doing that because I'm doing a video. You motherfucker.
No! God, please, no! No!
So yeah, the power supply, 850 watts from Auto Tech, ATX 3.1, and the PCLE 5. I don't know none of me. I just saw the pretty lights on it for the RGB, and I was like, yo, this gonna be cool. So that's gonna power up the graphics card and be hooked to on my motherboard, and that is cool for that. When I do get my CPU and figure out if I'm gonna go with a Ryzen 5 or 7, which I'm hearing the 7 is like the way to go, honestly. I don't know everything about this, so will the Ryzen 7, will this motherboard be able to handle that? Y'all let me know. For real, y'all let me know. I have no idea. Yeah, you tell me. So, for the graphics card, I need to cool it, right?
What? Bro, what are you talking?
And I was going to go with a water cooler, no lie, but I said, you know what, I'm pretty sure on my first build, I'm just going to just go out there and just build it. My thing is just build it. Just build it. I'll go back and build another one later, and then I'll do all the advancements and so forth. So I just want to see how this build goes. So I did go with ID cooling. Another RGB fan, and lighting on this for sure. ID cooling Frozen A620 Pro. So yeah, I saw some like 6 or 8 heat pipes on here. So yeah, don't get me twisted or wrong on this. Again, I'm the new guy at this, right? I'm being honest with you. I ain't finna act like the tech guy, but I am very much enjoying the direction I'm going there with this, because this is cool as all outdoors to me, man. I love this type of stuff. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, I went with ID cooling, another RGB fan's gonna light up beautifully inside the case, which I'll let you see in a minute. Let's get to memory. Now I'm kind of upset with myself because I did go with 1 terabyte.
No! God, please, no! No!
Lexar NM790 SSD with a heatsink. One thing I do know about heat, because of vehicles, just keep it cool. You know what I'm saying? Keep your vehicle cool. When it comes to like your radiator or whatever, keep the vehicle cool. It will last longer. So same thought process applies when it comes to a computer, to me. So yeah, so I am definitely, hold on, wait, ma.
One eternity later.
Dryer is going off, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm happy about this 1 terabyte Gen 4 Going with this at 7400. Yeah, read speed. So hopefully it'll do what it says. That's cool. And also, I was seeing for the CPUs, people putting frames on them to protect them. So I decided, why not? First build. So I went with AM5 secure frame, V2 in black. Just to add a extra protection, caution, you know. So boom, that's where we at with that. And what does this all go inside of? Pause. Yeah, haven't even opened the box yet. But my View 270 Plus mid tower TG RGB actually has 3 RGB fans on it. 1 exhaust, 2 intakes. So yeah, will this be able to hold everything? It better, cause I ain't taking it back. What's wrong with you? Glass case. I should. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it for y'all. Man, I will take this out of the box. Okay, it's getting me close from.
A few moments later.
Got it. Got it. About 2 minutes.
2,000 years later.
It's all right. I didn't break nothing. It just sounds like that. Give me that. If I flip it.
1 eternity later.
Everything else is pretty. All right, that was the foam that broke. Oh. I got it. Don't worry about that. That's cool. Everything good. Okay. Look it. It ain't even on the rice. Got it. I got it. Sweet. Look it. Look at that. Hold on. Let me take a break. I got it. Okay, cool. Look at that. Woo! It's my first time in seeing it too, and y'all first time. So yeah, that is nice. See the exhaust fan. Ha ha. And the 2 intakes. That is nice. And RGB lighting on them. So look at my baby, man. Does it feel cheap? Nah. It was pretty good. I'm gonna like the glass. I'm gonna like the glass to be able to see through it, and that's gonna be nice. And the RGB lighting up. Very nice. Definitely hold the motherboard in place. Yeah, man. So that's what this puppy is gonna sit in for my first build. I am so excited. If you can't tell, tempered glass. I am loving it. By Thermaltake, man. One day I might get sponsored or whatever, but for now, you know, do it on your own, man. Do it on your own. So this is definitely the setup. I'll get this thing right, looking good. Bedazzle. Let's put some little bedazzle. Yeah, man. This is what it is, you know. Oh man. So yeah, for my first build, man, this is what we're working with. I'm proud of it. You know? I'm definitely proud of it. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? All because the laptop won't give me problems. So I decided, you know what? Let's do something a little different. So, yeah. Again, I am waiting to figure out like exactly the graphics card I'm gonna get. Am I gonna spend the $299 or $400? You know what I'm saying? I don't mind coming back doing another build, because I'm so excited about this one. I don't mind coming back doing another build just to see the difference in performance from I don't know what you call this. Like, this is probably about a little over $1,000. It's going to be a little over $1,000. But I don't mind turning around and doing another one, especially with a water cooler for sure. I definitely want to see how that looks. And then after getting better and getting good at this, the building process of the computers, then seeing like what else can I do to, you know, kind of pizzazz it up a little bit, make it look, I don't know. I don't even want to say professional. I want to say fun. You know what I'm saying? I want to say fun. So shout out to all the creators that already put all this information up to help us with our building and how to look up this information of what to get and what pairs with this CPU and the graphics card. Because without you guys, like, I would really be in a world of hurt trying to figure out what in the world am I doing. And yeah, so this is where I'm at. I am on my way to build my first gaming computer, but it's for editing. But I will be gaming for sure. But definitely for editing and storage. Definitely for editing and storage. So this is where we at. Will I make a mistake? Will I bend the pins on the CPU, on the motherboard? Will I don't know at all. Will I pour water on it? I don't have a clue. Will it catch on fire? Hope not, man. But whatever I'm doing, I'm going to enjoy doing it because, again, I am super excited about this. So join me on my little journey to put this thing together. Hopefully in the next, I say 2 weeks, no lie. 2 weeks I can get the other parts in. Amazon has been pretty quick, pretty good, even though it's caught around the holiday season. They still been getting things on time. No lie. That RAM that I just bought, that is taking a minute. So, and like I said, another week that should be here. But I did pay like $180. Yeah, CL30, 600 megahertz, 216 gig sticks. So hopefully it's good. I'm not too sure about the brand name I had copped, but you'll see all that a little later. Pretty sure the next time a video goes up with the computer build, it'll be me actually putting it all together. So walk with me on this. If there's any ideas or suggestions what I should do, help your brother out, man. I'm just doing this for the first time and not trying to act like I know what I'm doing. When you talk about beginner, I am there for sure. All because of the freaking laptop just acted up on me. But when I see a problem, find a solution. So DHU Gang, appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. It's coming. First build. I'm hyped. You should be hyped. Because if you can see me do it in a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt, you can do it also. You guys. So, yeah, man. Follow me on this little journey to knock this out. Hopefully this is not the last one I will do. I'll definitely do another one. I'm too excited about this one, and me, just like putting music in the car or upgrading anything when it comes to the vehicle, I just want to keep going up and up and up and up. I love it, man. I freaking love it, man. And Thank you for the people that have subscribed, and definitely like, comment, share it. Whatever you do something. That's my motto. Do something. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully I'll get this thing right so I find my own niche and I go into that lane. You know what I'm saying? So you'll see me doing the thing that you like and you suggest and I feel comfortable with, and you know, that excites me. It just comes natural. You know what I'm saying? Like, turn this camera, I just ride out, man. You know? So thank you again. See you soon on the next episode of what will he next?